15. Which of these is the zero of the function? So what happens is you have your graph, and this guy, I'm going to tell you now, it's going to cross. We're looking for where does it cross the x-axis? That's what a zero is. Where does it cross the x-axis? Now, there's actually two solutions, but I'm only asking for one of them. So the question is, where's that zero? Well, notice that what is going to be true is the height right there. That's going to be something. Let's pretend it's 4, and the height will be 0. The y will be 0. So what we're doing is trying to make this answer come out to be a 0. We want the answer to come out to be 0. So if I plug 2 in to this equation, will it come out 0? That's what we're checking. Well, let's see. 4 plus, I'm going to do that. 8 minus 5. No, 12 minus 5, 7. That doesn't come out 0. We need the answer to come out 0 because that'll mean the y value, the height, is 0. And that's where it'll be crossing the x-axis. Let's try -3. I plug -3 in. Now remember, whenever I'm squaring something, you've got to make sure you put parentheses around it. Plus 4 times a -3 minus 5. Let's see, -3 times -3 is 9. This is minus 12 minus 5. So that's -3 minus, no, that doesn't work. Darn it. Let's try the -5. Next one, plug -5 into the x here. I'm all over the board here. -5 squared plus 4 times -5 minus 5. This is 25 minus 20 minus 5. Look what we have. We got an answer of 0. That means this is one of the solutions. In other words, right here, that guy's crossing at -5, and the y value would be 0. We're looking for what value we plug in that will make the answer 0. So let's look at 16. Which of these is the 0 of the function? So again, I'm looking for where it's crossing the x-axis. Well, I'm just going to plug in -3. -3 squared minus 5 times -3 plus 6. Maybe we'll get lucky and it's the first one. 9, that'll be plus 15 plus 6. That's not going anywhere. Let's plug -2 in. Okay. I'm going to go to 3. I think it's 3. You think? Yeah, let's try it. 3 squared minus 5 times 3 plus 6. 9 minus 15 plus 6. Uh-oh, look, there's our 0. This guy. That means this graph, which again, you don't understand. When it's squared like that, it's a parabola. We'll talk about that later on. This guy is crossing, okay, at right here at 3, 0. That's what it means. A 0 is where's that line crossing the x-axis. So if we plug the value in, it'll tell us, hey, the height is 0 at that spot when x is 3. There you have 15 and 16.